Today we're going to show you the difference between our wide and our slim wands. You're just a wrap away from salon quality curls with Remington. So first off, let's start with the similarities. Both wands feature silk ceramic technology with 4 times more ceramic and real silk proteins for the ultimate glide and protection from heat damage. The 410 degrees heat gives you professional results with 30-second heat up to start styling fast. Use the digital controls to find your optimal heat. And if you're like me, you'll appreciate the peace of mind with the 60-minute auto shutoff feature. Now we're going to show you the styles you can make with a slim wand. The tapered barrel goes from 1 inch at the base to a 1/2 inch at the tip, which is perfect for tight, bouncy curls and other gorgeous styles. Grab about 3/4 to 1 inch section of hair and gently wrap flat against the wand away from your face. Next, you're going to repeat, but make sure you take a few sections and curl them towards your face for body and volume. The curls are super bouncy and really fun for a night out. Now we're going to move on to the wide wand. The barrel is 1.5 inches at the base and 1 inch at the tip. The larger barrel makes it easy to create loose curls and relaxed, elegant waves for a variety of looks. Grab about 1 to 1.5 section of hair and gently wrap flat against the wand away from your face. Next, you're going to repeat, but make sure you take a few sections and curl them towards your face for body and volume. These curls are light and effortless. So there you have it. For any hairstyle you want, a curling wand makes it easy. Choose the slim wand for tight, fun styles or the wide wand for loose, elegant looks. Hair stays healthy and radiant with the technology and silk ceramic curling wands, only from Remington.